Hello everyone, so today I'm just gonna review these two keypads, shall I say. They are by this company called Sades or Sades, depends where you're from. So quick look at this one. It's mechanical and you can hear it clicking. And also you can remove the keys very easily. You can see the height here. It's got an armrest, and as you can see, the keys on the top have different colors. As you go down, you can see different colors. It's blue here, green, pink, and purple. You can't change these. You can't change anything about the color. That's how it is, and that's it. I'll put the exact models at the bottom of the screen on the description bit so you can buy them if you want. Okay. The other version, same brand, is just a different model. It's cheaper. I think it's about £11 compared to the other one. The other one is around 20 quid. As you can see, this is not mechanical. You don't hear any clicking. And you can't change the keys. Also, you've got water spillage drains here. Unlike the other one, you don't have them. On this one, you can change the lights. You can turn them off and on. You can make them flash. Or you can change the color from red, blue, green, purple, etc. So they both feel fine when you put. I played with them both. I had them for a year. Bought them around Christmas time last year, and they work a treat. I didn't feel like they were too slow or not responding. The letters and numbers, you can see they still showing absolutely fine on both of them. So although they're cheap, they're well built, so I definitely recommend them. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching this. If you like the video, please press like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.